Close your eyes. Feel the gentle, unseen current guiding you towards slumber. It's a feeling of surrender, a slow, inevitable drift. Our entire galaxy, the Milky Way, feels it too. For eons, it has been journeying on a cosmic river, pulled by a force we cannot see, toward a destination hidden behind a veil of stars. Tonight, we are not going to fight the current. We are going to join it. We will drift together towards the Great Attractor and discover the profound peace that lies within the universe's most powerful mysteries. For decades, astronomers were puzzled. They observed that galaxies, including our own, were not just moving apart due to the expansion of the universe. There was another motion, a strange, uniform flow. Everything in our cosmic neighborhood seemed to be streaming towards a specific point in the constellation Centaurus. But when they looked, they saw nothing spectacular. The culprit was hidden, obscured by the dense plane of our own Milky Way, a region astronomers call the zone of avoidance. It was a gravitational anomaly so massive, it was pulling on everything for hundreds of millions of light years around it. They had discovered a ghost in the cosmic machine. Imagine our galaxy, the Milky Way, not as a static swirl of stars, but as a magnificent vessel on a silent ocean. Its spiral arms are like glittering sails catching the gentle pressure of gravity. We, on our tiny blue planet, are passengers on this grand voyage. A journey that began long before we ever looked up at the night sky. We are moving at an astonishing speed, yet the journey is so smooth. We feel nothing but stillness. We are not traveling alone. Our closest cosmic neighbors, the Andromeda Galaxy and dozens of smaller dwarf galaxies, form a collective known as the local group. And this entire group, this small family of galaxies, is moving together. We are all caught in the same current, drifting in unison towards the same mysterious point on the cosmic map. There is a sense of companionship in this shared destiny, a silent agreement to travel side by side through the void. Our destination lies hidden behind the zone of avoidance. Think of it as a curtain of light and dust woven from the countless stars of our own galaxy's core. This beautiful, dense tapestry blocks our view, making it impossible to see our cosmic destination with ordinary telescopes. The universe has placed a veil between us and this great mystery, forcing us to listen and feel for its presence, rather than see it directly. So, how do we know it's there? We use other senses. Astronomers use radio telescopes and X-ray observatories to peer through the galactic dust. These instruments detect the whispers and echoes of what lies beyond. They map the gravitational contours of space, like feeling the shape of a mountain in the dark. It is through these subtle clues that the form of the Great Attractor begins to emerge from the shadows. The picture that emerges is one of breathtaking scale. Our galaxy is part of a much larger structure, a supercluster of galaxies named Laniakea, which means immeasurable heaven in Hawaiian. The Great Attractor is not some external force, but the very heart of Laniakea. It is the gravitational center of our entire celestial home, the point around which our cosmic lives revolve. Think of Laniakea as a vast watershed on a continental scale. Each galaxy is like a single drop of water. All of them are flowing along invisible filaments of gravity, trickling into larger streams and then into cosmic rivers. All of these rivers are converging on a single massive basin. This basin, this central point of collection, is the Great Attractor. We are simply following the natural flow of the universe. The sheer number of galaxies involved in this cosmic dance is almost beyond comprehension. 100,000 galaxies, each with hundreds of billions of stars, are all part of this flow. Feel yourself becoming small, a tiny speck of awareness within this immense structure. There is a strange comfort in this smallness, a release from importance, a freedom in being part of something so grand and ancient. So what is the Great Attractor? It is not a single, monstrous black hole or a colossal star. It is something far more subtle and sprawling. It is a region of space with an immense concentration of mass, and therefore an immense gravitational pull. It is a place where thousands of galaxies are clustered together, their combined gravity creating this powerful, irresistible beacon. A key part of its mystery and its immense mass is thought to be dark matter. This is the invisible scaffolding of the universe, the unseen matter that holds galaxies and clusters together. The Great Attractor is likely a place where this dark matter is exceptionally dense, its gravitational influence amplified far beyond what we can see. We are being pulled by a ghost, a presence felt but not seen. Let's focus on the feeling of this journey. We are hurtling through space toward this region at over 600 kilometers per second. That's more than 2 million kilometers per hour. But there is no wind, no turbulence, no sensation of speed. It is a serene, effortless drift. Imagine floating down a perfectly calm river under a sky full of stars. That is the true feeling of our galactic journey. As we drift, visualize the cosmic landscape passing by. We glide past lone galaxies, their spiral arms turning slowly, like celestial pinwheels. We pass through faint clouds of ancient gas, the birthplaces of stars yet to come. The light from these distant objects is millions of years old. So our journey is also a journey through time. We are seeing the universe as it was, long, long ago. Some early descriptions call this a journey to our doom, but that word is born of fear. In the language of the cosmos, this is not destruction. It is a homecoming, a merging. It is the natural tendency of matter and energy to come together to form greater and more complex structures. Our galaxy is not being consumed. It is being welcomed into a larger cosmic family. The timescales are just as peaceful as the motion. This journey will take billions of years to complete. The entire history of humanity is but a single, fleeting breath in the course of this voyage. Your own worries and concerns, when placed on this timeline, become quiet and still. They are ripples that last for a second on the surface of a timeless river. Listen to the silence of the journey. In the vacuum of space, there is no sound as we know it, but there is a kind of music, a symphony of gravity. It is the low, resonant hum of space-time itself. warped and curved by the mass of the attractor. It is a fundamental frequency of the universe, a base note that underlies all of existence, and it is deeply, profoundly calming. Let's imagine what it would be like to arrive near the center. The night sky would be transformed. It would no longer be mostly black, punctuated by stars. Instead, it would be a brilliant tapestry of light, filled with the glow of thousands of nearby galaxies. It would be like arriving in the heart of a celestial city, its lights stretching on into infinity in every direction. The force guiding us, gravity, is the gentlest of all the fundamental forces, but it has the longest reach. It is patient and persistent. It does not rush, it simply is. It is the universe's embrace, the quiet insistence that everything is connected and everything belongs together. As you relax, feel gravity's gentle hold on you, connecting you to your bed, to the earth, and to the Great Attractor itself. But there is another force at play, a cosmic counterpoint. This is dark energy, the mysterious force causing the universe to expand. While the Great Attractor pulls us in, dark energy is pushing everything apart. Our journey is the result of a delicate cosmic tug-of-war between the urge to gather and the urge to expand. We exist in the perfect, tranquil balance between these two great powers. This cosmic rhythm mirrors your own breath. As you inhale, imagine the pull of the Great Attractor, gathering in energy, drawing everything closer. As you exhale, imagine the gentle push of dark energy, releasing, expanding, letting go. Inhale, and you're part of the cosmic gathering. Exhale, and you are part of the cosmic expansion. You are breathing with the universe. The light from the galaxies we pass is a gallery of ancient art. We see the brilliant blue-white light of young, hot stars, burning fiercely and quickly. We see the deep, ruby-red glow of ancient stars, nearing the end of their long lives. Each point of light is a story, a history book, written in photons, and we are drifting through a library of cosmic memories. Our journey with our companion, Andromeda, adds another layer of beauty. Long before we reach the Great Attractor, in about 4.5 billion years, our Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy will perform a slow, graceful dance. They will spiral around each other, merging into one even larger galaxy. Our future is one of union, a prelude to our final homecoming. This flow reveals the true structure of the universe. It is not a random scattering of galaxies in a void. It is an intricate, connected network, the cosmic web. There are vast, empty voids and long, glowing filaments of galaxies that connect massive clusters. The Great Attractor is simply one of the largest and most brilliant nodes in this shimmering, universal web. We are traveling along its strands. Allow yourself to feel like a single particle of stardust on this cosmic current. You are weightless, effortless. There's no need to strive or struggle. You are being carried. The universe has a path for you, just as it has a path for our galaxy. All you need to do is let go and trust the flow. There is immense peace to be found in this surrender. The colors we would see along the way are a painter's dream. Nebulae would drift by like clouds of watercolor paint, in hues of deep magenta, electric blue, and soft violet. The combined light of distant galactic clusters would create a soft, golden white background glow, a constant, gentle light to guide our way through the darkness. Ultimately, the destination is not the most important part. The journey is everything. The slow, inexorable drift is a form of cosmic meditation. It teaches us about patience, about connection, and about the beauty of being part of a process that is far greater than ourselves. The movement itself is a state of being, a constant, peaceful becoming. And what lies beyond the Great Attractor? The plot thickens. Astronomers have discovered that an even larger, more distant structure, the Shapley supercluster, is pulling on the Great Attractor itself. So our cosmic river, the one we are on, is actually flowing into an even larger cosmic ocean. The journey never truly ends. It simply moves to a grander scale. This reveals a profound and comforting truth. Everything is connected. The gravity of every single star, every planet, and every particle contributes to this grand, silent dance. You are not separate from the universe. You are an integral part of its structure and its flow. Your own gravitational field is reaching out, touching the stars. There is no need to control the outcome. Our galaxy cannot steer itself away from this path, and in that powerlessness, there is a kind of liberation. So often, we try to control every aspect of our lives, but tonight, we can let that go. We can follow the example of the Milky Way and simply surrender to the great, gentle current that is guiding us. The mystery is part of the beauty. We may never see the Great Attractor clearly. We may never fully understand the nature of dark matter or dark energy. And that is perfectly okay. The universe does not owe us all of its secrets. It offers us wonder, awe, and a sense of profound peace. And that is more than enough. As you drift deeper into sleep, feel yourself becoming part of this cosmic flow. Your consciousness expands, leaving behind the small room you are in and joining the silent, stellar river. You are now a traveler of the Laniakea, moving with grace and purpose towards the heart of the immeasurable heaven. The journey is calm, and the path is clear. The Great Attractor is not waiting for you with any expectation. It is simply a center, a point of profound stillness and immense presence. It is the universe's anchor. And as our galaxy drifts ever closer, you too can drift towards your own center of stillness, the deep and restorative peace that lies at the heart of your own being. Let the current take you there now. So we see that the Great Attractor is not an ending, but a focal point in a vast, interconnected cosmic dance. Our galaxy's journey towards it is not a path to destruction, but a beautiful, silent pilgrimage that has been underway for billions of years. It's a testament to the patient, gentle, and inescapable power of gravity, which weaves the fabric of the universe together. By understanding this journey, we understand our own place within it, not as isolated observers, but as active participants in the grandest story ever told. We are all stardust, flowing home. Thank you for joining this journey tonight. If this cosmic drift brought you some peace, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more explorations of our amazing universe. Your support helps us create more content like this. And now, for a final thought to carry into your dreams. What do you imagine we would find at the very heart of the Great Attractor? Share your dreams in the comments below. Sleep well.